Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 33. This is Section 1.6, Problem 33. It says find the perimeter and area of a square that has a length of 15 centimeters on each side. So first, I'd like to get a drawing of the square. So a square has the same length on all four sides, and it says it is 15 centimeters on all four sides. So for the perimeter, you want to add the length of all the sides together. So you'll have 15 for the top, plus 15 for the right side, plus 15 for the bottom, plus 15 for the left side. And if you add them together, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So I put the 0 from the 20, carry the 2 from the 20 to the top of the next column, and then I add 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer comes out to 60, and of course that would be 60 centimeters. Now, here's an interesting thing to notice. If I'm adding 4 15s together, it's just as well that I do 15 times 4. It has to give me the same result. There are 4 15s added together, so I could add the 4 15s together or multiply 15 times 4. So if I multiply, 4 times 5 is 20. Put the 0 from the 20, carry the 2 to the top of the next column, and then I multiply 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 more that I carried. 4 and 2 is 6. So I also get 60. So if you notice that you can multiply, that's probably a little bit easier. And again, I'll include the units of measure. cm is the abbreviation for centimeters. Now, how about the area? The area is the base times the height, or you could write length times width. Now, of course, if it's a square, the base and the height are going to be the same measurement. In this case, they're both 15. The base is 15. The height is also 15. So I have to multiply 15 times 15. That's getting to be a little bit big to do in your head without writing it out. So I will write 15 times 15. So now, 5 times 5 is 25. Write the 5 from the 25. Carry the 2 from the 25 to the top of the next column. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 more is 7. Now, go down a row. Start the next row down with a 0, or just slide over 1 position to the left. I'll put the 0. And now I will multiply 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. And now I will add. In the far right column, 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So for 12, you put the 2 from the 12 and carry the 1 from the 12 to the top of the next column. And in the last column to the left, I add 1 plus 1 more is 2. So the answer is 225, and again, you should include the units. It is in centimeters, but it's really, because its area is square centimeters. Because again, I multiplied with the 15 times 15. 15 centimeters times 15 centimeters. Again, the centimeters times centimeters. It's square centimeters, which you can write out or just abbreviate SQ cm for square centimeters.